So, what does it mean to be a trader? Let's explore this together. Traders don't guess. There's an old saying on Wall Street, "He who lives by the crystal ball will eat shattered glass." In other words, traders don't try and predict the markets. They react to market opportunities based on a tested, proven trading plan. A trading plan keeps you focused and prevents emotions from creeping into your trading. Let's look at some of the ways traders can get into trouble. Traders keep fear and greed in check. Fear of losing can trick you into getting out of a winning trade too soon, or staying in a losing trade too long, hoping the position will turn around. Greed will keep you in a winning trade too long or make you cut your losses before the trade can play out. Rather than getting caught up in the excitement and creating unforced emotional errors, traders understand that there will always be winning trades and losing trades, and sticking to the rules of a trading plan will help eliminate those emotional errors and produce more consistent results in the long run. Traders are patient. Warren Buffett is often quoted as stating, "The markets are a device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient." For traders, this means only trading when the environment is favorable to their style and not trying to override the plan just to be in a trade. Traders don't seek the home run. They don't pursue the fantasy of get rich quick or bring a lotto mentality to trading. They are not trying to swing for the fences with every trade. Instead, traders look to hit for average and understand that winning is about consistently being able to get on base. Traders focus on the process. They learn to love the process more than the end result. Their focus is on the execution of their trade plan as opposed to how much profit they might make on a trade. Traders believe that if they don't shortcut the process of preparation, analysis, and review, then the end results will take care of themselves. Traders understand risk management. Risk management is the preservation of capital, so you can stay in the game. In trader terms, this is how much you are willing to lose on any one trade as a percentage of your account. One of the easiest ways for a trader to blow up is to overtrade their account. If you're risking 10% or more of your capital on a single trade, it doesn't take many net losing trades to wipe out your account. Traders know that risking only a small percentage on each trade allows them to ride out those inevitable drawdowns and continue to trade on the other side. Traders practice trading. Practice is a key for new traders. Make sure you have access to a trading platform that allows practicing in a simulated account with real-time market data. NinjaTrader allows users to hone their skills through use of their trading simulator in the platform. Being able to place trades, track positions, and navigating your trading platform inside and out is a must before starting your trading with real dollars. Traders prep for the trading day. Professional athletes have pre-game routines designed to prepare themselves emotionally and mentally for the game ahead and the opportunity in front of them. Traders are no different. They strive to develop a consistent and effective pre-market preparation prior to the start of each trading session. This trader pregame should result in a feeling of confidence and preparedness prior to the opening bell. Traders conduct post-game analysis. Just like professional sports teams, traders conduct post-game analysis. Many traders take notes as they're trading, known as trade journaling, and then formalize a review process after each trading session. This is one of the habits traders should use every day in an effort to continually elevate their skill sets and refine their trading plan. So now that you see what it means to be a trader, let's talk about the markets and the type of traders you want to become.